Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We have another special unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. This is coming from ZKTeco. They are, I think, this is a normal website, so ZKTeco.com. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below. So thank you guys for sending me one of these to show the YouTubers what you guys have to offer. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. It is Tuesday. There we go. There we go. What we got here? Ooh. Nice job packaging. Alrighty. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, heavy. Come here, little guy. Come on. Oh boy, there's a big old box. Alright. Alright, what's in here? This is gonna be something different. Access card. Finger unlock. Security code. Oh boy. This thing's heavy. Z-Tech. See? Z-K-T-E-Echo. Echo. Oh boy. Ooh. This must be the important stuff. I'm gonna have to get my installer out here. Oh wow. Look at this. We got the access keys. We got the keys in here. Let's see what's inside. Now I got me curious. This is really nice though. These are the security locks for your doors. Alarms. Okay, these are, yeah, okay, I can show this. This is like the door. We all know this. Hey, there. More stuff. Some kind of plastic piece. That side, get some 3Ms. You got the faceplate. There we go. Oh. I think these are like keys or something to unlock it. That is really nifty. More sticky stuff. Whoa. This is some high-tech stuff right here, guys. We got the screws and all that good stuff in this bag. More 3M. We've only done one install, and that was a while back. Not from this company, but the other one was alright. But this one is way much better than the other one I got. This is more my likings. This is a primo, top of the line stuff right here, guys. You don't want to miss this deal. Okay, oh, this is nice. That's why it was heavy. Okay, here's what's back. Wire. ZKTeco. Oh, the cards, you can read it. Swipe the card. Kind of like you see at a penthouse for the high end. You got the bottom right there. This is really cool. Definitely going to have this installed. Oh man, this one is a heavy one. It turns. There's a bag, that's where all the good stuff is. The jack. That's where you plug that in. And what else do we have? Bracket. Oh boy. It should be a fun one. Definitely, it'll be on this video, so don't worry. I'll be right after this unboxing. So, this is what it looks like. Really nice though, guys. This is high-tech stuff right here. Tons of keys though. I think I got a code every single one. I'm not 100% sure, but it has a manual, all that stuff in here. ZKTeco. And put this back. Put these keys in here. I love it. Secure your home, your bedroom, your office, workroom now, since everyone's working from home. This would be a nice extra security setup in case you got kids, don't want them snooping around, especially in your office, especially if you're dealing with some high profile stuff. You don't want your little kids snooping around and chance of damaging stuff like I used to do when I was a kid, but we never had stuff like this. I mean, this is pretty nifty though. Double check though. Open the envelope. Yeah, they got the measuring stuff where you could so this thing, I can show this. They got this kind of type deal where you can just line it up with your door. We'll be showing it during the install too. Parts of it. We'll cut, edit, a lot of good stuff coming up. And we'll have it rocking and rolling by end of the video. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and enjoy the show. I just lost my pen. My stylus. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, guys. Roger, roger. Uh-oh. Code red. Oh, there it is. Alright, guys. I'll be right back. YouTube magic. Alrighty, YouTubers. We are back. We're doing this install right now. We got it pretty there. Up in there. And here's the back side. So stay tuned for the rest. Alrighty, here we go again. We got it plugged in. Look at that. Yeah. And there's that side. And then there's the bolt. We got the keys right here. That goes into... I do it one-handed. And I still got to program the other keys. So that'll be done in a few minutes. There we go. Keys work perfect. Lock. Unlock. And then we'll be back with the whole other keypads we're going to do. Oh, shoot. There we go. We're going to do. So, alright. Be back. Alrighty, YouTubers. We are back. We got it all installed. This is what it looks like. Our friend came by. And look at that. Really cool. There's a reset button. Right above. You might need it just in case to reset the passwords, or you could do user thumb like so. Here we go. And these are the mechanical keys right there. These work just as well too. So you got options. And I'm going to show you the little ID keys that comes with it. See? There you go. And then, so you can set up for multiple users. Depends on how many you have in your household or your small business. It all depends on that too. But let me see if I can pull that up really quick. But you're gonna need 4 AA batteries, and that's back here. All you gotta do is lift this part right in there, and that's where the batteries are. So, touch the keypad to wake up the lock. Press 0 to access the menu. Verify administrator, use a fingerprint or card I'll show you the card, and it shows like pretty much like how to do it step by step. It's really simple, guys. If I could do it, you guys could do it. Method to operate. So there's a set 6-digit passwords, and I'll show you the keys in a second, or the card. Fingerprint we did the mechanical key. This is the touch area right here. That's a touch area. Fingerprint sensor is right there. Reset button is underneath here in the back. And then number 5 is the lockout symbol right there. 6 is this guy, and that's the knob. 7 is the battery cover. And there's also a 9-volt battery port. I didn't see that, but I used double A's, so they work just as good. And hold on one second, we're gonna grab the cards. Here are the cards that come with them. The ZXT or ZKT. All you gotta do is just swipe it right there, and it'll register it, and good to go. So, like I said, depending on how many members of your household you have or your small business, you can set them up really easy. Program. But for me, just gonna use my thumb, and then shut the door like so. Oops. That was a little loud. There we go. And then now it's gonna lock. Can't get in and out. It's really cool. So these are the fancy ones. If you guys want to check them out, link is going to be down below. And all you got to do is add it to your cart, get it fast shipped to you, and then continue back to shopping. Oh. There we go. Voila. See? Alright, thank you guys for watching. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.